You can get my $500 sales and conversion course for just $50 or $100 if you act fast. I'm having a lot of fun the last couple of weeks doing these exploding videos where I put a video up and then I delete it a few hours later. So if you catch this, you're in for a treat. I have a new sales and conversion course that will come out officially on August 15th. And to have a little fun with it, I'm launching it with a bump sale. If you're not familiar with the bump sale, there's a link in the description right below where you can click on the link. You'll be taken to a very simple page that has a pay button. The pay button started at $1 just a few minutes ago, and every time someone purchases it, it goes up by just another dollar. And you have 3 minutes to buy it or it goes away. So whatever number it's on right now, that's the number you can pay, and then you're getting a $500 course for that amount. So it's pretty amazing. Try to get it for under 100. If you get it for under 200, that's still great because it's more than 50% off. And this is only for the launch. I'm not going to do a bump sale for this course again. It's for the launch because most people are going to be paying $500 or something around that for the duration of it. You get to pay $30, $50, $100. It's very, very cool. And there are, of course, people who paid a dollar, $5, 10. Bumpsell.co is a company that I have loved for the past like 4 years. I've done several of these, and you can start it yourself. I'll put a link to it so you can start one yourself. If you have any audience, anyone on your email list, and you have any kind of digital product, a course, anything you want to take and dust off and sell or do a launch with, like I'm doing, you can make $100, $500, $1,000 pretty quickly. Because if you do the math, if let's say 50 people were to start, you start at $1 and it goes up to 50, $1 at a time. That's $1,250. If you do 100, that's $5,000. And it's kind of cool to watch how this goes up. And the way you get that number quickly, there's like a on bumpsell.co, there is a calculator, but you can just multiply the largest number by half of that. So for 100, I multiplied 100 times 50 because that's the average of how much it costs, and that's 5,000. So you can see how the numbers could go up. If you're doing something that's nonprofit, if you're doing something that you're trying to launch something, it's really a win-win situation because your audience gets to have a great deal like you're going to have right now when you click below. So for a second, go and do it so you get the best price, and you can come back to this video. My sales and conversion course is going to help you learn how to market, sell, and convert. And the conversion part is really, really important because a lot of times you'll have people who are interested, or maybe they were on your page and they were interested, but something repelled them, something stopped them in their tracks. I'm teaching you how to sell your product or service or experience, how to do it naturally, organically, do it with a lot of integrity, and there's going to be a lot of value in this course. It's worth far more than $500 in my opinion if you implement what we teach you. So, of course, you'll get more than you bargained for. There will always be bonuses where I am concerned, and this course is no different. So to get it at $50 or $75 or even $250 is an absolute steal. I can't wait to see what you do. Leave a comment and tell me what amount you paid. And so everybody can see what amount you paid and what they paid and vice versa. So much fun. These bump sales are a lot of fun, and I hope it helps somebody not only to get the course, but maybe because you discovered bump sale today. I'll see you soon.